Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will explain you how to select cells using VB scripting in Excel. So, let's get started with the topic of selecting cells in Excel using VB scripting. Viewers, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And for getting latest video updates, please do click on bell button. And also please watch this video till the end to get the full knowledge. So, selecting cells using VB scripting. So I have written a code here which you can see on the screen with the subroutine selecting cells methods, selection of single cell methods, in which first method is writing range in inverted commas d5 dot select. This is the first method in which I am specifying the range d5 cell reference dot select, and in second method cells open parenthesis, here I have to mention the row number comma column number dot select. This is the second method of selecting an individual cell. Third method is typing the cell reference in square brackets and dot select. So these are the three different methods of selecting the cells. And in the next coding part, we will learn how do we save the values in the selected cells. The first method is select a cell, then type as active cell dot value is equal to some number. And in second method, active cell dot value is equal to some text. Third method, active cell dot value is equal to some date, and date is always enclosed between hash symbol. Now there is another thing which we have to learn, which is assigning values to cells without using select. So instead of using again and again select, we can eliminate using of select and directly we can assign values, so that the code line becomes shorter. Simply we can write range of cell dot value. We are eliminating here select as well as active cell. These two are getting eliminated in this method, so that the line of code is becoming short and very easy to understand also. So with this line execution, selection as well as assigning a value to the cell will be implemented. Similarly in the second method also, and in also third method. Now this is what the code which I have written to show you how do we select individual cells. Now we will see the execution of this code by pressing F8 on keyboard. Press F8 and we'll see the line by line execution. So if you look at here, after execution, right now the current cell is D4. After execution of this line, now the cursor is selected D5. Similarly, after execution of this 5,7, fifth row, seventh column got selected, G5, then F5, F8, F5. So this is how the cell is cell reference is getting changed because of the code I have written in this. Now Now we'll see the value assigning. F8 selected A2 cell. Now active cell is A2 dot value is equal to 10. Let's see whether we get 10 or not. We got the 10 in the active cell called A2. Then 2 comma 2, second row second column, that is B2, or the content, and then third method C2 dot select. We have got the 8. Let's see whether this method will get executed or not, that is eliminating select and active cell. Yes, these lines are also working. So that's all for this video. In this video we have learnt how to select an individual cell, one single cell, and how to assign a value to the cell in various methods. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel for latest video updates. Thanks for watching.